What's going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here. Today's video is a 700 subscriber giveaway slash channel update. So a while ago I made a video and I said at 700 I'd be giving away some 3D printed parts. So we'll just get right into that first. So what I decided is I have three different things here. I have a rooftop tent I printed. We have a front runner wolf pack. And I have this fuel container that I printed. So I printed all these things myself. They are not the greatest, but for me, I just haven't really had a chance to use them. And I have a 3D printer. I can just make more, especially these fuel things. These are pretty sweet. They're prints from Night Custom Files I got on my mini factory. If you don't have a 3D printer and you're really into scale accessories and stuff like that, I highly suggest picking one up. For the cost, it is not that bad to get into for what you can get, in my opinion. So you get to pick one of these. So how I'm going to do it is you just leave a comment and what piece you'd like, and I will do a random comment picker, and I will be selecting a winner that way. Now, I would like to do it live just so you guys can see that I'm doing it live and all that stuff, but YouTube changed the subscriber count for live streaming. It is now 1,000, and I have not been able to get to 1,000 subs, so that's why I've been doing these giveaways. I'm just really pushing, trying to do that. I really like live streaming. I like to do builds and certain things that just I feel don't really deserve videos. I like to just go on live and do hangouts and stuff like that. Haven't been able to do that for quite some time now, so I just, been putting out my videos and working towards my goal of 1,000. So I have these three things here, so we'll give each one away. So we'll do one at 7, one at 8, and one at 900. And when we get to 1,000, I'm going to be giving away a shirt design that I have, my Scale Life t-shirt that I have. It says RC Propaganda on the back. You've probably seen me wearing them in other videos. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm pushing for 1K. That's just my goal as of now. It's been taking some time. It's no big deal. I just keep making videos and doing my thing, and try not to really look at the numbers and worry about it. But I did a giveaway before. I believe it was Fog City. He won an air freshener. I sent that out to him. He got that. And now I'm going to do this. This is only my second time doing it. So again, you can choose the front runner wolf pack, crate, the fuel can, or the rooftop tent. The prints are not horrible. They're just black PLA. If I had to choose between them myself, I'd say the fuel cell came out the best. There's a lot of good detail in this cap here. And what I like to do with these is sand them up, use like an automotive primer, and then you can paint it any color you would like. So you can do red with like a green cap for diesel, or whatever your preference is. So those are the three things I have. And those are the things I'll be giving away from here on out. And again, a shirt will be given at 1,000. I'll do another giveaway. Channel updates. Don't have a whole lot. My views have been going up. I see a lot of people really enjoyed my tire video. I really had a lot of fun making that video. Tires are something I really get into. I have my eye set on a couple different brands that aren't Proline that I really want to do. So I got to pick some of those up when my budget allows. I've just been trying to budget because I am going to, I think on Friday, pre-order the new Element RC Enduro or Sendero or whatever, the kit. I'm not going to get the body. I have a vision of what I want to do with a new crawler. You can see in the background here I got my Power Wagon on the HPI Scale Builders kit. Really love building the kit. I've been really enjoying driving this truck. I think I'm going to do like a full long-term review now that I have so many, I wouldn't say miles, but so much time with this truck. It's held up great so far. But the only thing is this was like my first body that I really spent a lot of time on, and it kind of has been taking a little bit of a beating, and I really don't want to do that. So I want to build a more crawler specific and not get too crazy maybe with the body and paint, and so I'd be able to put a really scale body on it at another time, but I'm going to do like a cage in the back, and I just want to build something that I can actually take out and not worry about damaging. The truck is great, and also I'm not sure what's going on with HPI, so I don't really want to break anything on it. When I get to 1,000, I'm going to make my room a studio just for my RC and computer stuff. I have a deal worked out with with Mrs. Propaganda, and I'm just waiting to get to 1,000 to do that, and I can put some shelves because I'm kind of tight on space here in my little corner, but it is what it is. We all have to make do with what we have, and that's what I've been doing for quite some time. I enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I just enjoy the hobby. For all of you Basher fans out there, I got a couple Bash videos planned. I just have to get out and execute them. I've been busy with work, so it's hard after work to get out and go shoot videos, because by the time I get done and get home, my job's pretty demanding. I'm pretty spent myself, so yeah, that's just a little glimpse into what's going on the channel. I've been trying to make at least one video a week for you guys, so I hope that has been enough. I got just things planned. 4th of July next month, so I'll have some time off. We'll do some crawling, we'll do some bashing. I got some ideas, and hopefully I can make some cool videos for you guys then. But yeah, don't forget the giveaway. I guess I didn't really give direction on what we're doing with that. So all you got to do is leave a comment on which piece you would like, and we'll give it, let's see, what's today? Tuesday. So we will give it to next Friday. And I will do the video Friday night and probably have it all edited, and I will post it with the winner. And you can go over to Instagram, RC_propaganda, and hit me up in the DMs and follow me on there, I guess, or we'll figure out a way. The email address is rcpropaganda@yahoo.com, so maybe if you don't do the Instagram thing, you can hit me up with your details there. It depends how many people comment on how big of a chance you have to win. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I really appreciate all the new subscribers, all my old subscribers, and I just look forward to the future, guys. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.